Hey guys, what's up? Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get a sparkly star effect in your next photo shoot. Or the one that you're going to do today, or maybe you can't already go back in time because we don't have that kind of stuff yet, but maybe, I don't know. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Being a photographer, it's so important for me to have my work and brand displayed professionally online, and Squarespace really makes it easy to do that. They have features that make it simple to use for anyone looking to claim a domain, build a website, or market their brand. They also have beautiful templates for a wide range of projects, plus 24/7 award-winning customer support if you ever need it. You can also create an online store to sell products like presets, or you can even sell a service. So check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. With that being said, let's get back into the video. Now, you're really not gonna need that much, okay? You're gonna have to probably order a couple things, but it truly is worth the investment because I think you'll be using this more than once. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to need is the filter that makes this entire effect possible, and it's actually on my lens right now. So let me show you guys that. So when I put this filter over the video that's currently recording, you can see it does nothing, there's no change. Now the trick is to get something like fairy lights. Turn that on. As you can see, it's just regular fairy lights. But let me put that filter back on the video camera again. And there you guys have it. Isn't that's really cool? I love this. So really all you'll need is the star filter, and the different numbers will represent the different intensities of the stars. So mine is number 8. I haven't tried any other ones, but I guarantee you I'm going to order the rest of them. I think this type of lens would look really great if you're shooting nighttime photography. There's a lot of street lights, there's neon lights outside, really anything, even a traffic light. Okay, but don't go into traffic because that's just dangerous. I don't know, recommend this if it's, a central light source, like I was saying, like a flame is something that is really focused, and then the little fairy lights, they're little points that this can focus on. I think if you took this outside in the daytime, like you're doing a family photo shoot, I don't know how successful this is gonna be, but you can just try it and let us know though. I haven't tried it because I don't go out that much, and the lens goes on really easily. Oh, okay, I'm not selling that to anybody. Wow, that's terrible. So yeah, you need the filter. Make sure to get it the size of the lens that you already have, and you might want to look it up to get the precise diameter. So actually, when I was first buying this lens filter, I thought, oh, I have a 50 millimeter lens. I'll just get the 50 millimeter lens filter. No, that's not how it works. So it's different for every lens. You really want to make sure you get the right size, otherwise it won't fit on your lens. As far as this one goes, I'm going to have a link to this exact one that I have. The size of the lens filter will be determined by the lens that you currently have and you want to use it on. This is not universal. You can't use this on every lens. So I did a photo shoot yesterday with my friend Angelica. We did some things with a lighter, and then we got the fairy lights. And again, we just had some really bright lights which created that star effect. And I'll show you guys some of those behind the scenes. Some extra things you can get that I included in my photo shoot. You guys can pick up something like this. It's a small LED light, which actually I've grown to love. My friend Brandon actually recommended this on his Instagram, and I'm like, yeah, Brandon always has good recommendations. So I bought this. I'm extremely happy with it. It changes colors. So I'm gonna have that link down below. So that's all it takes to get some really sparkly photos. You got the lens filter, you got some lights. Pick one of these up. I'm going to have the link in the description. And also keep in mind that I believe there are different numbers, with this star lens filter. You can try out different ones to make the stars less powerful, I guess. But yeah, leave all your thoughts below in the comment section, and I would love to thank you guys so much for watching.